Hi everybody, this is Paul at Reliable POD and this is a video showing you how to create designs for our two-sided luggage tags. First thing you do is download the template either from within the app itself or on the product page on the website. Once you've downloaded the template, you can open it up in Canva or in Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop here. When you open it up, you'll notice it opens up in the landscape aspect rather than the portrait. I'll just show you the product on the website so you can see that when we upload and start designing, we actually upload the landscape version. So if you create it, I'm going to create a portrait design so you can see what we do with that. So once you've got that open, first thing I do, because I'm going to create a portrait version, is image rotation 90 degrees clockwise. I then get my image that I want to place on the template, copy it, and then just paste it on. That just goes over into the bleed area, so I'm going to adjust that. Control T in Photoshop, just make it a little bit smaller. That should do. Try and keep away from the bleed areas. That's positioned nicely. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm happy with that. So now before I save the image, I need to do image rotation 90 degrees counterclockwise. Happy at that. So what I'll then do is click on the bottom layer. There's a padlock, just unlock it. I'm going to delete that bottom layer. Then I'm going to do File, Save As, and you can save these as a JPEG or a PNG, and I'm going to call that sample front. Save that. Now what I'm going to do in Photoshop is Control Z, and bring that template back in. I'm going to delete that layer. Then I'm going to rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise again. Then I've created a design here that fills the entire template. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to drop that onto the template. That looks good. So what I'm now going to do is I'm going to rotate the image back 90 degrees. I'm going to delete that bottom template again. I'm going to do File, Save As, Sample back. So now I've created both of the designs that I need. I'm now going to show you how to create the product in the app. So when you come into the product, you can see here you've got luggage tag front, luggage tag back. Got to upload the images for both. So I'm going to do luggage tag front first, upload file, go to my computer, and I think I called it sample front, which is there. I'm going to upload that. You can see that's on there. And then don't forget, always add your back image if you're doing a two-sided one. I'm going to upload the back, sample back. There we go. So we've got the bag. I'm going to add that layer. So now we can go through to mockups, confirm. You don't see the images on here. We'll call this one test. I'll straighten that up a little bit, and then we'll save the design, and you'll see the product. When you click into it, you can see you've got the front and the back print. Now, with that being in landscape mode, what you'll do is, if you're going to push that to, let's say, a Shopify store, which I'll just push that to our demo store and show you. I'll just push that in. I'll go through all these. It's not too exciting. I'll just go across to the demo store. So as you can see, when you come into the product, you've got these horizontal, which doesn't look great when you view it. So what I simply do is I click on them, I download them, and then I rotate them. Only takes a second, and then I can add the two new ones that I've rotated from there, and I can just delete those images there. So that's how you create them. If you're creating horizontal designs, obviously you don't have to do that, but it all depends what type of design you want. So hope that helps. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.